Say hello. What are you doing? Fixing something?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's Ethan doing?
He's crawling.
He's what?
He's crawling.
He's not crawling. What's he doing? Ethan, come here. Come here. We're about a week and a half overdue with this, getting it on video. But here it is. Ethan walking. What you doing, buddy? Go get Lily. Where's Lily? I hear her. Where is she? There she is. Walk, right. Yeah, there she is. Oh, Lily. That's not nice. Get her, E. We're so proud of him, aren't we, Kendall? Where is he? Where are you, E? There he is. Yay, big boy. So 13.5 months old and walking. We think he could have done it a lot sooner, but he had to get it perfect. Didn't he? Hey, Ethan, what are you doing? There's our big box of loves from Mom. He's trying to get Lily. Oh, Lily's hiding behind that basket. Ooh! Lily, she doesn't have claws, so don't fear, people. I don't let my cat beat up my children. She doesn't like that. Ethan thinks that Lily's being silly. Alright, Mommy's got to mop the floor now. Ethan, look at Mommy. Where's Mommy? See, I don't know. I don't really care. Hi, what are you doing?